Heyo everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. We are digging here into CarPlay in iOS 14. There are a bunch of new changes and features to check out, so let's go ahead, jump in, dive into CarPlay iOS 14. So first up, the interface does look very familiar. You still have that split view at the beginning, then your regular app view, but we do have a new appearance option. So if we go into settings, which was new with iOS 13, you can see a lot of what we saw before, but Apple has definitely been expanding this. So you can see we still have the do not disturb while driving, the appearance changing, the suggestions on your home screen there, all of that. But now we have 5 new wallpapers. I know that is not that exciting, but that's why we're starting out with it. But it does make a substantial impact to your car's interface, because before you were stuck with those basic options, those light and dark options really, or just all dark, and it was very simple. Now you at least have a few different colors, and these do change based on the time of day, so there are light and dark versions of each of these interfaces, and we have to say we are definitely fans of them. It definitely helps the appearance of the CarPlay interface in general, even if we don't love those gray boxes behind all of the labels. Now Siri got quite a few changes here. First off, it has a new sleeker interface. It pops up different, it has a nice little animation to it. It just really looks good, and you're going to see that some familiar interface looking at the iPhone and iPad as well when you're invoking Siri on those respective platforms. But she's functionally different as well. So here on your car, you can now share your ETA with someone just through Siri using your voice. So it'll actually go and let them know privacy information that you're sharing, including your email for your iCloud account, but then it'll go ahead and share that information with them. So I can ask to send my ETA to my wife, it'll send that. You can view it in the Maps app, where you can revoke that sharing or share it to other people. You could definitely share it from the Maps app before, but now you can do it via Siri. Siri is also capable now, through just your phone or through your CarPlay interface, able to send voice messages. So I can ask Siri to send a voice message to my wife. She'll ask me what I want to say to my wife. I'll go ahead and dictate my message, and then it'll play it back in my voice, send it through messages over through the Messages app. You can see it right here, my 4-second message that I sent to my wife just using CarPlay. Now we glossed over Maps quickly there, but there are a few other things to talk about. One, there's new EV routing, so if you have an electric vehicle, you can actually plan routes with stops along the way for charging, so you don't have to worry about that. And there are new alerts for cameras, where cameras are, speed light cameras, and alerts for congestion zones. So you can watch out those when you're in larger cities like Paris, that kind of let you know to go around the city when there's that restriction going on. Now looking at the apps, there's not a lot to see here, but there are new app categories. There are 3 new app categories for CarPlay apps, including one for parking, one for EV and EV charging stations, and then one for quick food ordering. So the idea is you can get parking, you can charge your vehicles, and of course you can order food quickly from your car. Finally, and this is not a CarPlay specific feature, but we are getting a new feature called Car Key, which is a digital car key for your vehicle, and it's starting with the 2021 BMW 5 Series, but it's going to soon be coming to many other vehicles. You'll be able to just go up to your car, authenticate, touch your phone to the door handle to get in, place it on the wireless charger inside, press the go button, and you're on your way. You can even share these keys, so you can invite other people to temporarily use your car with restrictions or give them full access to the vehicle. What's more, these keys are very secure, they're encrypted, all local, and you can disable them remotely should you ever need to. CarPlay really is getting some nice features this year. We are excited for the new updated interface and what developers are going to do with those new app options. Let me know down below in the comments, or better yet, reach me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU and let me know what you think of CarPlay in iOS 14 and what comes down the line.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.